Hello guys, I hope you're doing good. So in this video we are gonna solve this question plus one. So this is a very simple question to understand. Let's see it with an example. So if we are given an array, so we just simply had to return another array, that is the increment of that particular array. So if the elements of for that array is 1, 2, 3, so what is the incremented array? That is simply 1, 2, and 4. Second example is 4, 3, 2, 1. Increment is 4, 3, 2, 2. And third example is 9. So we're gonna return 10 for that. So let's see its root and the optimal solution. So guys, for root solution, what's the first solution that comes to our mind is extracting all the digits, all the numbers from that vector digits and making it a number, then simply increment that number and then convert number back to an array. So we are using the same thing here. What we are using, we are using a variable long starting from 0. Then we are using every digit from the digit array and converting it to a number by using this. Then we are incrementing the number. Then we are taking another array, that is ins answer. Then we are simply converting that number to an array by pushing the number at the back of the ans array. Then we are reversing that answer array and returning that answer array. So its time complexity is O of n and space complexity is O of n. Now let's see its optimal solution. So for optimal solution, we are just using one loop. So in that loop, we are starting the variable from digit stock size, that is from the last index, and we're gonna reduce that index. Okay, so we are keeping a check if the digits of I is less than 9. So we just simply gonna increase that number, increase the last digit of that number and return that digit. And in the case where the digit of I will equal to 9, then in that case we're gonna make digits of I to 0. Then again we're gonna iterate, we'll go to the second position, that is the last second digit of that number, and we're gonna check if that number is less than 9. If it is less than 9, then we're gonna increase that number and return the digits. And in the case when all digits are 9, so what we're gonna do that is we simply gonna insert 1 in the starting of that particular digit array, and we just simply gonna return that digits array. So this is the case where all digits are 9. So we had first made all the digits as 0, then we had inserted a 1 into the. So its time complexity is O of n, and since we are not using any extra space, so its space complexity is O of 1. Thank you.